Hi there. My name is Ethan, and I'm thrilled to be here. I'm an aspiring Salesforce Billing learner. I've heard so many great things about this platform and I can't wait to dive in.
Hey Ethan, nice to meet you. I'm Bill, and I'm excited to have you on board. It's awesome to see your enthusiasm for Salesforce Billing. I've been working as a Salesforce Billing consultant for quite some time now, and I love sharing my knowledge with individuals like yourself.
That's fantastic, Bill. I believe learning from experienced professionals like you is the best way to master a new skill. There's just so much to explore within Salesforce Billing, and I can't wait to get started.
Absolutely, Ethan. I completely understand your excitement. Salesforce Billing is a vast and constantly evolving platform, and it's great that you're eager to learn. Together, we'll cover a wide range of topics related to Salesforce Billing, from basic concepts and features to more advanced techniques.
That sounds like an amazing journey. I'm particularly interested in understanding how Salesforce Billing can streamline business operations and increase efficiency. It's incredible how technology can transform an organization's billing processes.
You're spot on. Salesforce Billing offers immense potential for businesses, and in our discussions, we'll explore how it can streamline complex billing operations and drive growth. We're going to collaborate and learn from each other throughout this series, so get ready for a constructive and educational experience.
I'm really looking forward to it, Bill. With your guidance and expertise, I'm confident that I'll gain a solid understanding of Salesforce Billing. Thank you for offering your knowledge, and I can't wait to embark on this learning journey together.
It's my pleasure, Ethan. I'm excited to be your guide on this Salesforce Billing adventure. Let's learn, grow, and have fun along the way. Get ready to unleash your potential and become an ace in Salesforce Billing.
Sounds like a plan. Hey listeners, are you super excited to learn more about Salesforce Billing? If that's a big yes, go ahead and hit that like button to help others enjoy this awesome series too. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on the next episode. By sharing this series with your buddies and colleagues, you'll be spreading the knowledge and having a blast together. So why wait? Join us on this incredible journey to explore the ins and outs of Salesforce Billing. We can't wait to see you in the next episode.